CARE technical analysis below is a detailed technical analysis of CARE based on the provided data. The last closing price was 18.25. Over the past 3 months, the stock has shown a steady upward trajectory, moving from 14.35 on April 7 to a recent high of 18.43 on July 3, with the current price at 18.25. We'll analyze price movements, trend, momentum, volatility, and volume dynamics to evaluate the stock's current state and potential future direction. Price movements and trend analysis. The last close was 18.25. The 5-day simple moving average SMA5 is 17.74, and the exponential moving average EMA5 is 17.81, with the price above both, indicating a strong short-term bullish trend. The 10-day averages, SMA10 at 17.39 and EMA10 at 17.48, are also below the current price, reinforcing short-term strength. The 20-day averages, SMA20 at 16.95 and EMA20 at 17.09, are well below the price, confirming a robust medium-term uptrend. The 50-day averages, SMA50 at 16.28 and EMA50 at 16.57, and the 100-day averages, SMA100 at 16.28 and EMA100 at 16.56, are significantly lower, supporting a strong long-term bullish trend. The 200-day averages, SMA200 at 17.17 and EMA200 at 17.18, are also below the current price, further validating the uptrend across all time frames. Historically, the stock started at 14.35 on April 7, dipped to a low of 13,605 on April 11, and then began a steady climb, reaching 17.47 by June 26 and peaking at 18.43 on July 3. Bollinger bands show the middle band at 16.95, lower band at 15.81, and upper band at 18.1. The price at 18.25 is above the upper band, indicating overbought conditions and a potential for a near-term pullback. However, the price is positioned above the middle band and the strong upward trend suggests continued bullish momentum unless a reversal signal emerges. Momentum indicators RSI 14 is at 75.84, in overbought territory above 70, signaling strong momentum, but also caution for a possible correction. Stochastic indicators, K5 is 79.9, D5 is 74.59, showing a strong bullish signal near overbought levels. K15 is 86.93, D15 is 87.64, also in overbought territory, reinforcing the need for caution. Stoch RSI K5 is 100.0, D5 is 100.0, confirming extreme overbought conditions. MACD is 0.46, with the signal line at 0.35 and histogram at 0.12, indicating a bullish crossover as the MACD line is above the signal line, supporting upward momentum. Momentum 10 is 1.62, reflecting strong price gains over the past 10 days. Williams R14 is -7.86, near overbought, aligning with other indicators. Ultimate oscillator is 52.57, in a neutral to strong range, suggesting sustained buying pressure. CMO 14 is 51.68, further confirming strong bullish momentum, volatility and support. A resistance levels Bollinger bands, upper band at 18.1, middle band at 16.95, lower band at 15.81. The price at 18.25, above the upper band, suggests overbought conditions and a potential pullback to the middle band at 16.95 if momentum weakens. ATR 14 is 0.41, indicating low volatility relative to the price, meaning the stock is moving steadily without extreme swings. PSAR is at 17.07, below the current price, acting as support and reinforcing the bullish trend. VWAP is at 17.17, below the current price, indicating strong upward momentum from the average traded price. NATR 14 is 2.22, showing moderate volatility relative to the price. The stock's steady climb suggests controlled movement, but the overbought signals warrant attention. Volume analysis: the last day's volume was 74.347, lower than peaks like 233.332 on June 20th, or 208.959 on April 7th. Volume spikes in April, e.g., 144.577 on April 9th, and June, e.g., 172.684 on June 18th, accompanied price surges, while recent volumes are more moderate, suggesting consolidation after the recent rally. OBV is 169.976, indicating steady accumulation, though the lower volume suggests reduced buying intensity at current levels. Chaikin oscillator is -40.30303, negative, reflecting some selling pressure, but the overall trend remains bullish due to the price's position above key averages. Other indicator CCI 20 is 174.28, well above 100, confirming overbought conditions and increasing the likelihood of a near-term pullback. MFI 14 is 76.38, high but not yet at extreme overbought levels, 80+, showing strong money flow into the stock. Aroon oscillator is 78.57, with Aroon up at 100.0 and Aroon down at 56.0, strongly bullish, indicating a robust uptrend. ADX 14 is 37.48, suggesting a strong trend, and DX 14 at 61.57 reinforces the bullish direction. TRIX 10 is 0.42, positive, supporting the uptrend. TSF 14 is 18.23, close to the current price, suggesting a continuation of the upward trajectory. APO is 0.41, indicating short-term averages are above long-term averages, a bullish sign. ROC 14 is 9.35, reflecting strong recent gains. Summary and outlook: CARE is in a strong uptrend across all timeframes, having risen from 14.35 in early April to 18.25, with a recent high of 18.43. The stock is above its 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200-day moving averages, confirming bullish momentum. However, its position above the Bollinger Band's upper band at 18.1, combined with overbought signals from RSI 75, 84, stochastic, and CCI 174.28, suggests a potential near-term pullback to the middle band at 16.95 or PSAR support at 17.07. Momentum indicators like MACD and Aroon confirm strong bullishness, but the overbought conditions warrant caution. Volume is moderate compared to earlier peaks, indicating in consolidation, with OBV showing steady accumulation, but a negative Chaikin oscillator suggesting some selling pressure. Key support levels are 17.07 PSAR and 16.95 for middle band, with resistance at 18.43, recent high, and potentially 19.0 if the uptrend continues. A break above 18.43 with strong volume could push the stock toward 19.0-19.5, while a drop below 17.07 could lead to a test of 16.95 or 15.81 lower band. The strong ADX 37.48 and bullish indicators suggest the uptrend remains intact, but investors should monitor volume for confirmation of continued strength and watch for a potential correction given the overbought signals. The 17.07-18.43 range will be critical for the next move.